Level 2. Oh, there's the coins! He just saved it for the underground level. So, oftentimes when I do these reaction videos, you'll see me look this way, towards where the main video is, this way, to where I have some recording devices triggered on another screen, and I also look down for things like my mic pack. And it's only like 1 out of 100. But sometimes things go wrong and it's devastating. And luckily nothing bad happened. But when I looked this way, right before you got here, when I looked this way, this was not working. So in case you wonder why I look around, I'm not distracted. I just want to make sure that everything is here so I don't lose videos and footage and things like that. So, hey, crisis averted, because this video would not have worked if this thing was broken, and it's working. I also love when I get distracted. I was going to do Dear God by Avenged Sevenfold, and then I saw Super Mario Brothers, and I was like, I'm doing Super Mario Brothers. Oh. I might have... Dude, I kind of like it when I don't plan things in ahead. Hold on. How the fuck did that song go? Legend of Zelda: Link to the Past. That's it. And if you only had 3 hearts left, it would beep, so it'd be like beep, 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 beep. You know what? I'm not editing shit. I'm gonna leave all that in. Because I didn't have to look anything up. So I'm kind of proud of myself that I was still just able to get it from my head. Y'all don't care. Y'all don't care. Anyways, Alip, Super Mario Brothers. Dun dun dun, ba da da da. I got a cat over here and she's chilling. That cat might come mess with us, but that's cool because we listened to Alip playing. And now he's gonna play for us now, and I'm gonna shut up and just let him play. Holy shit. Coin ring? Ba-ba-ba-bum. There's something I need to count his frets, because there's something he didn't do, which I'm a little surprised, because he's killing it. This is a great version. I'm sorry, I'm gonna count his frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I guess he doesn't. It might not work. But a lot of players, when they do this, they use these harmonics here for the coins. So even with the capo, you can get those coins going. It's amazing how original he always is. Level 2. Oh, there's the coins! He just saved it for the underground level. Is he playing with a pig? He's playing with a pig. Hold on. Hold on, sorry. Oh, that's the underwater board. I actually played this on piano. I'm not saying that like it's a brag, it It sounded cool in piano. Bum, bum. Ah. Bum, 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 bum. Dum, bum, bum, ba da da, bum. Oh, he's so... Obviously, this is the first time I've seen him play with a pick, which is dope. It's also the first time I've seen his recorder mounted on the side of the guitar, so that's also cool. He's doing something that I don't really do a lot of, and I'm surprised he's even doing it. I'm looking for a pick. Hey, Kat, do we have a pick laying around? You think? You would think that I would. I might just have to use a quarter. I hope this works. With a quarter. With a quarter. So I'm just going to hold the quarter. Cheap man's pick. Like a pick. Oh, sorry, my string's still tuned up. That's with a pick. It doesn't matter. It's like a little harder to play with, but it still works. Anyway, so hybrid picking. What the hell is hybrid picking? Hybrid means it's a hybridization between your picking plectrum, your pick, and your free digits, which are typically your middle and ring finger. There's no reason you can't use your pinky. It just kind of sucks, so most people don't. So a lot of times what you do is you pick the strings with your plectrum, your pick, in this case a quarter, and then you, instead of having to skip strings, I don't know, I can't even, right, I'm jumping 5 strings, right, to play that with melody. So instead of doing that, I can pluck the bass string with the pick, or in this case a quarter, and then skip the strings with my middle and ring finger, so that you get like a even here, so I'm doing side-by-side notes with a quarter and a pick. Hybrid picking. Nice arpeggios. Let's switch to the arpeggios again. Can we go back? Yeah, those are sick.